welcome back to another portfolio update. For those of you that are new to the channel and don't know what's going on, I welcome you. This is a channel where I sort of go over my different investment portfolios and show what sort of changes and progress I've made on them. I have a few different platforms that I go over. It's a nice mix of stocks, funds, and even bonds. So if you're into that sort of stuff, stick around and subscribe to see more in the future. Today I'm going to be updating my worthy bond portfolio because we did hit a kind of exciting milestone, and I just want to sort of show what that looks like and what you can expect if you were to utilize this platform as well. So let's go ahead and open up here. So I've logged on to their web version of Worthy. So here's my portfolio updated 3 minutes ago. So here we are, roundups, which I have on. I have $500 invested from roundups alone. So if you don't know what roundups are, basically you'll link a bank account or a card to this Worthy account and it will notice your transactions. So let's go to view transactions. Let's see if this is loading. Come on. Alright, doesn't want to see. Oh, do you see this up here? Is it this? Oh my gosh, it's loading. Okay, here we go. So here's transactions that I've made with either my card or my account. So you can see, for instance, this transaction was $2.50. Worthy went ahead and rounded it up with 50 cents to get that nearest dollar. So that 50 cents went into this pool here. Once this pool fills up to $10, it'll buy another bond. So from just those types of roundups, I've gotten 50 bonds or $500 worth of worthy bonds. So here is the interesting part that I wanted to go over today. So we have finally reached enough interest that Worthy actually reinvested $10 and bought another bond. So you can see over here, one reinvestment bond. Out of 100 Worthy bonds that I owned, one of them is a reinvestment bond, meaning one of them was earned purely from interest from my other bonds. So that's pretty exciting. Right now, working towards the next bond, we have 76 cents earned towards that. So once this reaches $10, I will have another reinvestment bond. So I have $30 worth or 3 bonds in the queue to be added to the account. They just have to process. My portfolio value just broke $1,000, so $1,000.76, and my total investment is under $1,000, so only $990. So you can see the 1,076 minus the 990 is where you get that $10.76 in earned interest. So Worthy bonds are designed to give a 5% annual yield, which the interest is kind of calculated either daily or every other day depending on how many bonds you have. But now that I have this bond that was earned from interest and not my actual money, it is earning 5% as well. So basically my annual interest on this whole account is going to be over 5% now. So my yield on cost, if you want to think about it like that, is going to be higher, and it's just going to continue to grow as I reinvest. As I reinvest this interest back into bonds. I still have the same strategy. I'm still doing roundups, and I'm still doing 2 bonds every Monday. So I'm not going to hit it much harder there. I think it's working pretty well for me. If I get anxious or I come across maybe a lump sum here or there, I may up how many I do each week. But right now I'm pretty satisfied. We're gaining at a nice rate. This is a nice account size considering how long I've had the account, which is about the beginning of March. So here we can see recent transactions. So the different icons over here denote which method I acquired the Worthy bond. So this little present box says award, so that's from a referral. Someone used my referral link and they funded their account, so we both got a free worthy bond. The regular dollar is just either from a roundup or the weekly recurring investment. And then this is the new one for me, this refresh symbol here, which denotes when anyone reaches $10 worth of interest earned on their bonds, I reinvest into that bond, and so that's the little icon that it shows. So that's where we're sitting. We're over $1,000 in value. We got our first reinvested bond, and now this account is technically earning more than 5% annual yield, just based on my yield to cost. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I know Worthy, it's really just numbers and showing slow progress. It's not as exciting as portfolios that actually hold stocks and funds that change with the market. But you know, maybe that's what you're into. You just like seeing progress and growth. So there it is. I've laid it all out. I haven't even invested $1,000 in this yet, and you know, we're over that in value. So I appreciate you guys sticking around, seeing what all happened here, where we're sitting on this portfolio. If you like the video, go ahead, leave a comment about what you like seeing, any questions you have, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.